Greetings to you all. Welcome back to Shexa's YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any new video that we upload here. Today we are going to look at Java packages. Java package. What is it that we call a Java package? What is it that we call a Java package? We are going to look at it theoretically and practically. So we'll start with the theory. What is it that we call a Java package? A Java package is just a collection of Java classes, Java interfaces, and some other packages. That is, inside a package you can have some other packages. You get that? Right? So a package is a collection of classes, subclasses, and interfaces. We have two main categories of Java packages. The first one being the built-in. Built-in, these are the packages that were built by Java and they already exist. And then we have user-defined category Java packages. User-defined Java packages. These ones, any programmer can actually define and come up with his or her own Java package. Then we have some examples. Let's look at examples of built-in packages, and later on we will create our user-defined packages. So we have Java Lang, AWT, Java Swing, Net, IO, input output, and so forth. These are the packages that already exist in Java. Why do we use Java packages? Why use Java packages? You know, it helps you to organize the classes into a folder structure. So in other terms, a package is just a folder with items inside. It's a folder with items inside. It's a folder with files inside. So it's just a package. It's just a covering of something. So it's a folder, it's a package. So that's what you can benefit from a Java package. It makes it easy to locate and use your classes. Since you know that there is this class, where is it? It's inside this folder, it's inside this package. More importantly, it helps you to improve code reusability. You can say, I want to use this code. You can actually refer to it using the Java package. Let's just look at more details about Java packages. Each package in Java is its unique name and organizes its classes and interfaces into a separate namespace or name group. All right, so what is it that we're saying here? Each and every Java package has got its unique name, but we can have two packages with the same name. But now what differentiates these two is each package which is identical to another package must exist in different packages for them to have a unique name. So we are saying this package with the same name has got another package which is with the same name, but one of these packages exists in a different main package. Can I create classes or interfaces with the same name? Yes, just like what I've said a few seconds ago. A class, you can create a class with the same name, but these two classes with the same name must exist in different packages. which is said here, although interfaces and classes with the same name cannot appear in the same package, they can appear in different packages. So that's how one can come up with classes that are having the same name, but what differentiates them is their location, which is their folder or which is their package. This is possible by assigning a separate namespace to each Java package. How do we name a Java package? Packages are named in lowercase. It's encouraged to name your packages in lower cases because this will avoid conflicts with the names of classes or interfaces that already exist or that we have created or that were created by someone else. How to create a Java package? Let's now go through the procedure that we follow to create a Java package. After this, we go practical. We see how we do it. I will leave you doing some few tasks. Java package. This is how we write the package. This is how we define a package. We say package and then we say package name. If the package already exists, then the class that we are defining or the code or the program itself will exist in this package called package name. If it doesn't exist, it might give you an error. Say you want to put this source file is just code, or it's a file with the source code. So it will say you want to put this source file or this block of code to a package which doesn't exist. You will see when we start doing it practically. So here we are saying package. So package is our keyword here. Then you package name, you give the name of the existing package, or you can just put a package which doesn't exist and to create it later. But don't compile or don't run the program without creating the package and putting the source file inside that package. Right, procedure for package creation. Choose the name for the package. Now we know how to name a package. Lower cases is encouraged to do so. Then include the package command as the first line of code in your Java source file. So the first line should be Java package. But now, previously we have looked at Java program structure and we said documentation is the first section. When we are talking about code, we don't consider comments as Java program instruction because it's not compiled, it's not run, right? So the first instruction that you write that is looked at by the compiler is package. So you say package, you give the package name. Then the source file contains the classes, interfaces, etc. you want to include in the package. So everything that you want in the package is then defined below the package definition. Right, compile your source file, or you can actually run it. Let's go practical. So let's use it for no. Let's create a new project. So our project, we will call it let's just say team. Right, as you see here, we have this location and the folder that is having holding our project is that one, and then we say finish. Right, so you can see here the first line that is going to be executed or looked at by the compiler is this one, which is the package, and the package is created automatically by our NetBeans here. So let's look at it. This is no. Right, let me do this. Right, so where is our class? This one. So that's it. Source files. So this is the package, right? And it does this class public class generate team. This is the class. But now we can create another package. Let me show you this folder. Let me show you. Let's open Explorer. Alright, let's open Explorer and then go to Documents, NetBeans Projects here, and then say generate team. That's the folder. So this is the folder. Generate team. Is this the package here? Generate team. Let's get into source here. This is the package. That's where our class exists. So that's, you see, if I open with Microsoft Explorer, you will see the package as a folder because it's a folder, but in Java we call them packages. So if I create another package here, let me call it pack, like that, and save, and then go back to NetBeans. We are just testing. Let's just test and see if we are going to see it as you see, we now have package, right? Let's now create, we can also create a package here, new Java package. Let me call it Corona. Call it Corona, like that. Finish. Right, so we now have another package. Right, but in this package there is no class, there is nothing. In this we have this class, and there we don't have any class. So if I go back to Explorer, you will see that I now have Corona package. Right, inside that let's create a Java class and put it into one of these packages. Right, I will say, I will just click there and say new Java class. Then I can name the package that I want this class to be. I can say I want you to be in pack. Let me put this one in Corona, like that. But packages, we said they must have small letters, but now I have that. Let me just leave it like that. Right, and say finish. Right, so package is Corona. If you go to that package Corona, we now have our class there, and then the class is defined like that. So this is how we create packages, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please watch out for part 2 of this project. We are going forward with the project. We will look at class definition, variable creation, global variable definition, local variable definition, constructor, increment operator, and object creation. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your colleagues, friends, classmates, and so forth. Enjoy the rest of your day.